Oppo Mag accessories revealed: Oppo Mag case, with Oppo AirVook 50W magnetic charger, and Oppo 80W magnetic power bank. This is the first unboxing video Oppo Find X8. Oppo will launch the Find X8 series on October 24th with Oppo Find X8, Find X8 Pro, and thanks to a massive leak, we already know what the phones will look like. Now Oppo share official teaser video Find X8 and Find X8 Pro. The Find X8 and Find X8 Pro smartphones will have similar designs, but only the Pro will get the quick capture button. Oppo Find X8 come in starry black, breeze blue, light white, and bubble pink. The phone measures 7.85mm in thickness and weighs 193 grams. Front and rear panels made of Corning Gorilla Glass and an IP68/69 rating. The Oppo Find X8 features a 6.59-inch Tiama OLED flat display with a 120Hz refresh rate, reaching a maximum brightness of 4,500 nits, and is equipped with 2,160Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. It is powered by the Dimensity 9400 chipset, complemented by LPDDR5X 16GB RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage options. The front camera is a 32-megapixel Sony MX615. The rear panel has a Hasselblad triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel LYT700 sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultrawide sensor, and a 50-megapixel LYT600 sensor featuring a 3x periscope telephoto lens with OIS. The device houses a substantial 5,630 mAh battery that supports 80W wired and 50W wireless magnetic charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.